Hey, good morning everyone. Mark Nicholson coming to you from Larkins GMC in Tomah, Wisconsin. Got a great looking vehicle to go through and show you this morning. Just arrived on our lot within the last day or so. This is a 2026 GMC Canyon four-wheel drive elevation crew cab. Exterior color is coastal Dune. Interior is the jet black Cortec. It's got a 2.7 liter Turbo Max engine and it's got the 8-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle has a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty and a 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Walking around the outside of this one, just pointing out a few things. You got your LED lighting, got that elevation grille, kind of the blacked out look. There's that tire package with the Canyon elevation. Some assist steps. It does have proximity keys, so when you come up to the vehicle, if you have the key fob in your pocket or your purse, you just simply push that small chrome button right there. You can either have that door unlocked or you can have all of the doors unlocked. Coming around to the back side here, got some steps on the back bumper. Tailgate drops down. Does have some storage within the tailgate. Right on the top of the tailgate there's a compartment. There's a shot of that bed liner that was manufacturer installed. Trailering package is built on this one. Coastal Dune is one of the newer colors. Pretty well liked. Everybody that sees that really likes that color. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the inside. All right, before we go inside this one, let's go ahead and talk about some of the options that it does have. It's got the ProGrade trailering package, the trailer brake controller, the in-vehicle trailering app. It's got 8 years of OnStar basics. It's got keyless open and start, hitch guidance, hitch view, rear sliding window, rear HVAC vents, LED headlamps, front recovery hooks, IntelliBeam auto high beam headlight system, following distance indicator, and forward collision alert. Lane keep assist with lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian and bicyclist braking, rear cross traffic braking, blind zone steering assist with trailering, rear park assist. It's got the convenience package. It's got the elevation premium package. It's got the technology package, high definition surround vision, rear pedestrian alert, adaptive cruise. It's got the preferred package. So you got your heated seats up front, power seats up front, black assist steps, spray-in bed liner, and this one has 3 years of the XM radio built into it. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the inside. All right, here we are coming through the driver's door. Got options for unlocking and locking the doors, rolling the windows down, moving the mirrors. Power seats, lower lumbar. Jet black Cortec interior. Integrated trailer brake. Options for your interior lighting. Left side of the steering wheel, that's going to control your cruise control. Your adaptive cruise control. So when you have the adaptive cruise control when you're traveling down the interstate, if you're traveling at 75 miles per hour and you come up behind a vehicle that's going slower than you, based upon your distance indicator on where you've told it you want to stay, increasing or getting closer, your vehicle will gradually slow down to the speed of the vehicle that's in front of you, staying a safe distance away from it. When you move into that left lane, if there's nobody in front of you, it will automatically go back up to that previously stored cruise control setting of 75. Right side controls your Bluetooth phone, controls your radio. The button here that looks like 2 computer screens, that's exactly what it is. It's letting you know that button changes your driver information screens in front of you. So as we toggle through them, there's just numerous different screens you can look at. You get to a certain point, you can also have your mapping system directly in front of you. You can either have that mapping system directly in front of you, or you can have it on the infotainment center, or you can have it on both. And when you have your Bluetooth phone running on the system, your map from your Bluetooth phone will also be in front of you. Moving over to the infotainment system, this is your home screen. You got a vehicle status button that you can look at, numerous different things on the vehicle itself. Tires, brakes, fluids, filters, engine, trip. Hit your home button to come back to that main screen. It's got a Google Assistant radio built into it, so it's got a what I will call an HG system, and I'll show you that right now. So when I say, hey Google, go to 805 Superior Avenue.
All right, 805 Superior Avenue.
So by using those two words, the system then turns on, and you can tell it different things as it relates to navigation, turning your heat up and down, turning your fan speed up and down, changing the radio stations, turning your heated steering wheel on. So numerous different things that it works with and does. Here's your camera system. It is that 360 high definition system all the way around. So this is the picture of the 360 all the way around it. The camera on this side is controlled by the buttons at the bottom. The red line on this one means that's the one that's controlling it. The green button on the top means this view is looking forward. When we hit that, now it's looking to the reverse. Now we have straight down at the rear of the vehicle, straight down at the front of the vehicle. Side view forward, side view back, and that just controls your 360 screen at the same time. Really nice system. The really nice thing about that is when you do put the vehicle in reverse, it automatically comes up with the correct reverse camera system. You don't have to change anything or go anywhere with that. So if we go into the settings, majority of this stuff will take care of itself, but where you can come into and default some things to get it to work how you want to is in that vehicle setting. So we talked about, as an example, those power locks on the outside. This is where you would come in and remote door unlock. When you use your remote door unlock button and push it once, it's the driver's door. You can go into that and change it so that when you push it once, it's all of the doors. Same thing with that chrome button on the outside. When you use your remote start to start the vehicle in the winter, do you want the heated seats and to automatically turn on or not? Those are all things that you can do in this system, again, to get that defaulted and get them working how you want to get them working. I got a bunch of information in here as it relates to off-road usage. Go back to that home screen again. Your HVAC system, driver side, passenger side, heated seats here, driver side, passenger side, defrosters, fan speed, syncing it up so both sides are being worked. Your drivetrain options. So this outside button rotates around. A couple different things you have there. This button on the inside also works, so it's just a matter of a one-touch button for the four-wheel drive, and that's letting you know that it's now coming into four-wheel drive. Again, pushing that puts you back in two-wheel drive. Or if the weather isn't too bad and you just want to go to auto, you can put it in auto and then you're in auto. So you're in two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive on demand. Electronic parking brake, a couple options for your beverage holders. OnStar. Again, you got 1 month of the premium package and you got 8 years of the OnStar basic package. There's your buttons for those. Interior lighting options. Let's go ahead and take a look at that second row. All right, here we are coming into the second row. Again, seating for 5 in this vehicle, 2 in the front, 3 in the back. If you don't have 5 all together and just 2 in the back, you do have a place for an armrest and a beverage holder to come down. A couple USB ports. HVAC system coming to the back here where your vents are. Here's that window that opens up. That is a manual window. And another shot of that rear area with the spray-on bed liner. So there we have it. There's our 2026 GMC Canyon elevation package. Coastal Dune exterior color. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call at Larkins. The phone number here is 608-372-2161. Again, Mark Nicholson coming to you from Larkins GMC, 608-372-2161. Thanks much and have a great day.